which clearly is a way out to dispossess Pastor Ezekiel's property. They want to take over his property. They want all his wealth. But as I've said, Pastor Ezekiel does not own any property. All the properties are owned by 10 million followers of the church, and they are registered in the name of the church. 2, we have given evidence that Pastor Ezekiel's file has been missing, not missing, has been hidden. Since April, we have written more than 20 letters asking for the file to be availed, to no effect. We filed a judicial review petition, and they told us without prejudice that we withdraw that matter because the file is now available. Yet, clandestinely, they were moving to cancel the license. So we have, pursuant to section 15 of the Act, we have written an appeal to the Attorney General, and the law provides that that appeal serves as a stay for the next 90 days. But because of the nature of this government and the way it is operating, we shall be moving to the High Court in the next 20 minutes to seek for a stay, a conservatory order, to stay execution of that Gazette notice. Law does not apply retrospectively. A Gazette notice applies from today, but it cannot be said it was done in May. So that is why we are moving to court, because Pastor Ezekiel's tribulations are known to everyone. It is public knowledge that is a marked man, and that is a man that the government is determined to make sure it cannot succeed. All the 6 cases that Ezekiel had, we have cleared them. Of great importance probably for the others to know, you guys, those ones who are listening, for the others to know, let me give some information. There was an allegation that 115 bodies that were dead and taken from Pastor Ezekiel's church. The police were instructed to go round and get the bodies. The police have confirmed that all those bodies that died at Pastor Ezekiel's compound, 32 of them, they have gone to every home. You'll be surprised in West Mugirango, where I come from, one of the bodies was found there and a grave was there. Some bodies were buried in Uganda. Statements have been picked. Some bodies were buried in Ethiopia. The police have those statements. Some bodies were buried in Tanzania. Out of curiosity, you'll be shocked that one of the bodies was a person who had died, was taken to mortuary, and after he was picked from mortuary, his family thought a Lazaro miracle will be done. They brought a dead body to Pastor Ezekiel, and they were chased that this is a man who had died for 2 days and had already left the mortuary. So that offense is no longer an offense likely to be preferred against Pastor Ezekiel. Now that they have failed to get anything, they have gone for the properties. But as I've said, we are standing, tutasimama imara, tutachunga mali ya kanisa, tutachunga Pastor Ezekiel, tutamtetea na tutaelekea mahakamani ili kuonyesha ile tamaa ya kunyakua mali ya Pastor Ezekiel kutoka kwa wale mamilioni 10 ya watu ambao ni wafuasi wa Pastor Ezekiel.
More Radio 88.2 FM.